Tim here with the Jacks of all trades, and I want to show you 3 tools that you must have in your belt if you're a DIYer, electrician, contractor, or anything, and how they were going to save you time, which is going to save you money. Because if you're like me, you got a lot of things going on. These 3 tools are pretty epic. Come on over here and I'll show you what they are. All right, if you're anything like me and you're an electrician, a handyman, my company does everything. I'm literally a guy that could be putting in doorknobs today, or I could be wiring electrical services tomorrow, or I could be putting on a roof. And with this particular bit right here, it is a number 2 Phillips on one side, it is a number 2 square head on the other side. I can take panel covers off, I can do whatever I need to do nice and quick. If I grab my impact wrench here, I stab it in, it's solid. I'm popping Phillips. I take this bad boy, I flip it over, I'm pulling panel screws with a square drive. This bit right here is an epic time saver. I used to have to carry around when I'm doing crazy whatever I'm doing. I'd have to carry around 2, one with my Phillips and one with my, now I only have to carry 1 bit, 1 drill. And I've got this right here, and I believe it's the 6-inch, but they make them in 4, 6, and 8-inch. So these particular things are awesome. They're made by Rack Tie, and you can pick them up at North Coast, at Platt, or any of the electrical supply houses. They also make them in T20 and Phillips head as well if you're looking for those. So the next tool I want to show you works just along with this tool. It's pretty cool. If you look at this little bad boy right here, it is a tool that I use every day because I got big hands and I'm always dropping screws. It takes a regular bit that is non-magnetic, and all you have to do is run it through there as magnetic. Now you're thinking, Tim, a regular electrician would not use this because if their tip is magnetic, it smacks on and can kill you. But that's all right. Klein thought of that. If you just run it through this bottom hole 2 times, no longer magnetic. So when I need it to hold the screw, it holds the screw. And when I don't need it to hold the screw, and I don't want my tip to stick to things I don't want to, it's completely safe. And once again, you can pick this up at any electrical supply house. I'll put a link in the description below to get it at like Home Depot. All right, so this thing is epic. It saves me a ton of time because I hate dropping screws and having to climb down off a ladder. Now this last tool falls right along the same lines as these. This bad boy right here, I picked it up the other day. It's made by Klein. It is a nut driver bit, your standard nut driver bit, nothing too crazy. If you look right here though, closely, you will see the yellow. It is a 5/16, and you'll see here at the bottom, it's a 1/4 inch. It is a magnetic tip to hold your screw. So if you're doing appliance repair, if you're doing anything with electrical, or even if you're doing roofing and you're having to put roofing screws in, this magnetic tip, you can switch from one screw to another screw, no problem. That is 1 bit, 1 impact wrench to do whatever you need to do. For me, I like to save money, and I always believe footsteps cost money. So if I have tools that keep me from having to carry an extra tool, or something I can keep in my pocket that counts as 2 or 3 tools that doesn't weigh anything and makes it easier to hold on, I'm going to do that every time. So these 3 tools that I just showed you are what saved me so much time. And if you look at some of my other videos, you'll see this tool. You'll see some of my magnetic bits that I bought that aren't magnetic. Milwaukee doesn't make anything magnetic that I have found, yet you'll see all my tips are always magnetic. And that is why. It's because I found these tools about a year ago, and I want to make sure that any DIYer, electrician, anybody out there fixing, repairing, doing anything has access to this. And the best part of this stuff isn't expensive. This bit, it was $6 because it says Klein on it. That demagnetization tool was like $23, and that other bit was like $3.50. And you can, like I said, you can get them in any size you want. You break them up, you grab another one, because these things are pretty epic. And these name brand ones tend to hold up better. You know how easy it is to strip out a square drive or a number 2 Phillips. These hold up really, really well. The only downside to this bit is if you drop it, it's just a magnet, so don't drop it. All right, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, share it, and you'll check all the links below if you want to try to find these products. You could probably get them all on Amazon as well. Thanks for watching.